Hello friends, welcome to this session of Quality of India. Myself, Dr. R.N. Vishwakarma, and in this session we are going to explore our understanding on lean management, but we are going to talk about 10 typical myths about lean management. So let's explore what exactly are the top 10 myths about lean management and what exactly is the reality. Okay, so the first myth about lean management is that lean is just about cost cutting. So lot many professionals, they would say that, okay, we are implementing lean because we want to reduce cost, we want to cut cost. Lean is going to help you in cost optimization, but this is not a tool for cost cutting. Cost cutting and cost optimization through lean are two different things. Okay, so when we talk about lean, it is in reality, it is basically focusing on creating value for the customer by eliminating waste. So we talk about Muda, Mura and Muri. Okay, so we try to identify various kinds of waste prevailing in the system. We take project, we do kaizens, and with that we optimize cost, we reduce cost. But primarily it is not a cost cutting kind of mechanism. So that is a myth. The second one is that lean means job cuts. So a company would tell that we are practicing lean because we want to reduce manpower. Yes, that's good. You are going to reduce manpower because you are going to increase the efficiency of your processes. With that, you are going to reduce manpower. But primarily, it is not a program for job cutting. Okay. So lean aims to engage employees in problem solving and continuous improvement, not layoffs. So layoff is not the primary aim. You may use the manpower in some other area in a very optimized way. You are going to increase the efficiency of your machines, your processes, your line. You are going to balance the line. So line balancing, load leveling we can do. So we can say that it is not a primary tool for job cuts or layoffs. With the help of lean, you are going to optimize your processes. You are going to load level your processes. Then it is going to help you to use your manpower in a very optimized way. Third one is lean is only for manufacturing. This is also a big myth. We do talk about lean manufacturing. When it is practiced in manufacturing, it is lean manufacturing. But there are many companies in service sector, they are also using lean. So it is not only meant for manufacturing. It can be applied in BPO, KPO, healthcare, banks, any food delivery services. So anywhere you can use leans. So lean principles apply to all industries, including services, healthcare and IT, and not just manufacturing. There are many customized versions of lean. For an example, when you talk about Muda, Mura and Muri, this can apply to the service sector also. There we have Mudas, we have waste over there. Okay, but for the service sector, we do some customization. Okay, so this is a myth that it is only for manufacturing. This is wrong. This can be applied in any kind of sector. And the next myth is lean is a long-term strategy for continuous or continual improvement. So we are going to work on lean. Say for an example, when you are working on 5S and Kaizen, can we say that it is just a program for 1 month? No, it is a journey. It's a never-ending journey. Whether it is 5S or you do Kaizen or you do Pokayoke on your services or you do Kanban, it's a never-ending journey of continual improvement. So there are n number of tools and methodologies are available in leans, which is very beneficial for any kind of industry, any kind of organizations. Okay, and it is going to help you to have a sustained growth. Okay, not a quick fix solution. This is a wrong norm or it's a myth. The next one is lean requires high investment. This is also a myth. So when we talk about lean, this focuses on optimizing existing resources. So any kind of resources you are having, whether it is manpower or machinery or tools or any processes, you can optimize. So high investment, I would say no. No high investment requires. Say for an example, if you want to do 5S, why would you require investment for 5S? Okay, 5S would not require any kind of investment. Simple thing, you can learn 5S, maybe from the YouTube videos also you can learn, and you can start doing 1S, 2S, 3S without any investment. Whatever resources are available within your company, You can utilize same resources for doing 5S, for Kaizens. In fact, Kaizen is going to give you some the benefit, some profit. So this is a wrong norm again. It's a myth that lean requires heavy financial investment. With no investment or with minimum investment, you can use lean tools. In fact, when we talk about Kaizen, so in the Kaizen we say that Kaizen is all about without investment or with minimum investment. So whatever kind of improvement we are doing in Kaizen, we always say, don't do investment first. Go for the area which does not require investment. Use your creativity first. But if at all some investment is needed, go for minimum investment. Okay. So this is again a myth. Fifth one. The next myth is lean eliminates flexibility. Again, it's a myth. In fact, lean is going to help you to become more flexible. So lean promotes flexibility by enabling faster response to customer needs and market changes. For an example, when we talk about SMED, single minute exchange of dies, it's a very good lean tool. SMED, at Quality of India, we do provide training and consulting on SMED. We also have an online course on SMED. So lot many clients of Quality of India, they have got benefits through SMED and they have increased their flexibility. So lean is all about flexibility. When you can reduce your setup time, let's say currently you are doing in 1 hour, and if you can minimize that 1 hour to 10 minutes, so 50 minutes you are saving. So it is going to add to the available time. So you are going to have higher productivity, you are going to have high flexibility. You can change the setup more frequently. So in case of any urgent customer demand, you have flexibility now to adapt to the customer needs and the requirements. So this is again a myth that lean eliminates flexibility. It is going to in fact add to your flexibility. The next myth is lean is all about tools. Of course, we are using tools, various kinds of tools in leans, but lean is not only about tools. This is about changing the mindset and culture of the organization. So in lean, basically we work on people engagement from all the department, all the verticals, all the levels of the organization. People should be engaged in doing continuous improvement through Kaizen, through load leveling, through line balancing. There are lots of tools are there. So we can use tools, but primarily the application of tool is not the primary motto. The motto is employee engagement, changing the culture, changing the mindset of people so that people are engaged. They start thinking about doing something better, something creative. So, of course, there is a tool, there are tools which we use in lean, but lean is not only about tools. We use various kinds of tools like 5S, Kanban, Pokayoke, Andon, Jidoka. Lot many tools are there, but primary motto is not application of tools. It's about changing the culture, changing the mindset. Okay, improving the quality, improving the just-in-time level, making the company flexible. So these are the motto. And the next myth is lean is only for large corporations or large companies. Again, it's a big myth. Lean can be applied in any kind of organizations. In fact, we are visiting to lot many organizations, small and big. All of them are using lean, from smaller organization to big organizations. Anybody can practice 5S, anybody can practice Kaizen. Simple tool like Andon or Jidoka can be used by anybody. Pokayoke can be used by anybody. So there is no hurdle, there is no any norm that only the big corporations can be only using lean. It can be used by any level of organization. So again, it's a myth. And the next myth is lean is the same as Six Sigma. No. So these are two big approaches, but different approaches. Six Sigma primary focus is reduction of variation, whereas lean primarily focuses on elimination of waste. Okay, so waste reduction and flow improvement is the primary focus of lean. So lean has 5 critical principles. The first one talks about identifying value, then from value to value stream, then flow, then pull system, and then perfection. So these are the 5 principles we use in lean, which is primarily for waste reduction and flow improvement. Whereas when we talk about Six Sigma primarily work is reducing variation, and we use DMAC, that is define, measure, analyze, improve and control, and DFSS, design for Six Sigma approaches. So at Quality Hub India, we are expert on providing training and consultancy on Lean and Six Sigma both. We have experts. We do have courses on our online portal on Lean. Various levels are there: basic level, mid level, and then gold level also. Six Sigma starting from white belt till master black belt. All the level of certifications we do have. So you can opt for these courses if you want to excel in your career. And the 10th myth we are going to talk about is Lean can be implemented overnight. There is no hard and fast rule. There is no button. You just press and Lean is implemented. Okay, you gather all your team member and then you decide from tomorrow we will become Lean. There is no shortcuts for becoming Lean. So Lean is a gradual process. It's very lengthy process, step by step process. It's basically about changing the mindset, changing the culture, changing the practices, which requires time and which requires patience and efforts. So it's not a small thing, it's a gradual process for cultural change, commitment and time to achieve results. It requires time. Of course, by doing small things like implementing 5S, doing some Kaizen, you would see that some changes are happening. But it's basically a journey. It's a journey of continual improvement. It's not a destination that you will say that we have completed Lean and now we have become Lean. It's not a destination. You will keep on improving yourself. Friends, I hope that with this session you must have got some insight about Lean. So there are different kinds of myths available or in the mind of people, in the mind of professionals. We have tried to bust those myths through this session and we have spoken about the myth and the reality. I hope that you must have got some insight. What's your view on the video? Kindly write down in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon and do explore our online training cum certification program. Download our app, and Quality Hub India is also a certification body now. For any want of ISO certification for yourself, your company or your suppliers, you can contact us. We are also into business consulting, so you can contact us for any training program, any business consulting or certification requirements. Namaskar.